Hello.
Hello.
We thought we'd do a bit of cargo styling today.
Yes, cargo style.
Cargo
because
pants.
cargos are a thing. But you know how people don't like that many pockets? These are minimal. They don't have a pocket down there, they've just got the flat.
People don't like many pockets.
No, my line? Yeah, okay.
Well, is that a thing?
I don't know, is it a thing?
Do you not like
You
too many
tell
pockets?
us.
I thought our ladies loved pockets. But you're not going to put something down there. That's a bit
Well,
weird.
that's why we didn't put a pocket down there, we just put a flat.
That's really,
But there's plenty of pockets up here as well. Well, there's two there, and there's two there.
Yay, we've got pockets. Okay. All right, so we've got navy that dropped in new today. White, actually. This is very white. It's not actually ivory. It dropped on Monday, and we're just going to talk through some ways that you guys can style a cargo, dressy, cash, all that stuff. Do you want to start?
Sure. You know what I've done? I've reversed my cami because I like it reversed. I like a high neck. See that? I've made it low at the front, but it's actually reversible. I'll show you. I've done a bit of a front tuck, so I want to show a bit of belly. I know not everyone wants to show belly, but I do because it's really stinking hot here and I feel so hot. And to me, this looks rather cool. Shall I reverse the cami already? Sure. Just unravel it. You can easily do a front tuck as well. Let me show you. No, oh. I didn't take that in very well. There we go. Nice, really nice. It has the little dingle dangles there, so that can look really cute. Oh, you can add a belt. Shall I add a belt now? Is this the time? Yes, of course. This one here, sorry, going in front of you, love. This is beautiful doing it like this, but then all of a sudden the sneakers do not work.
Oh, yeah, no, they don't. What do you
And
do?
you know what?
Maybe they
Well, I'll change. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah. And do I leave the dingle dangles in the front? By the way, I have these big chunky sneakers. Look how much I dropped down. They're like, they are so high. They're higher than my heel.
Are they heavy?
No, they're not. There's loads of feather. I don't.
She's always on this
I don't-
mission
I don't-
to find platforms, lightweight shoes.
Lightweight. Okay, this looks good.
That's
I've got a
fun.
little horse bit belt. I'll probably tuck those in if I was to wear that, but that looks cute, doesn't it? Look at that. It looks very elegant. I'm wearing my elegant bit of jewellery there, by the way, fringes and crosses. Ooh, they're a thing, that's for sure. And I've worn them as a choker. I don't know if it'll fit everyone as a choker, so I've got a bit of a skinny neck, but that doesn't matter because it looks good down as well. I'm going to
Oh yeah, I do like it as a choker.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
cute,
but
yeah.
I don't reckon it'll fit a lot of people.
Yeah, probably.
Unless you get like an extender. You can buy them everywhere. We did have them. We don't have them anymore. But
The fine chain
a fine
extenders?
chain extender will be everywhere.
Yeah, okay. So this is more on the other, this is the right way actually. So this is more, to me, a little bit more elegant. The other way is a little bit more funky, like that.
Yeah, I
Shall
agree.
wear heels?
Yeah,
Let me try heels.
Yeah, cool.
Wow, they're really high, love.
What, these?
No, these.
Well, they are. I know. I've specifically got them for
Because
live.
they're
But
high.
their pants are too long.
Okay.
I don't know if they look right. I think you're better off with your platforms. Let's have a look. Hold on. I'm just going to look at it. Actually, you know what? It does look
No,
good.
it looks elegant.
No, it
Yeah,
does.
I actually have to show more of the
I actually love the point
There we
with
go.
the cargo, and you guys can do flats as well. You can do like flat slip-on points. You don't have to do a heel.
This is nice.
Yeah,
This is nice.
it's
really
like
quite
that.
elegant.
The balance of, you know, cargo typically casual, anything with a lot of pockets and that sort of thing sort of leans into casual land, but then the point is very classic with the belt. It's good.
You're so right, and to me it's almost like I've got to change that and make it look funky, so
Yeah.
I try and do it in a different way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is beautiful with my slides, my sneakers, anything's a wee bit more casual, but as soon as I add this heel, it kind of says something else, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
do you want to put the matching jacket,
Yeah,
matching
absolutely.
shirt?
Yeah,
While
of
Faye's
course.
popping that on, I've just thrown on the set from Monday because we didn't get to do a real live stream for you. It was pre-recorded, so we had to kind of scoop it up very quickly. I popped on the pig feet shoe.
The controversial?
I mean, I
So
like them.
controversial?
I like them. I think they're very cool.
Well, they
and
look like that.
I've also, you don't need to do this because it's, you know, you don't need to wear a belt with this pant. It's just sort of a drawstring waistband, stretchy. But if you want to add a little bit of detail, I've popped our, I think it's called our horse bit elasticated belt. And then I've just got this shirt on, which I'm kind of thinking, if I was going to wear this, I do like to just do a couple of buttons up here and kind of just let it flow. So you're just getting a little bit of a peekaboo of this, although I know that's not for everyone. So if you do want a little bit more coverage, you can tuck
That's nice.
your shirt in. I'm wearing black undies, so you do nude undies. And you do something like that, even having it a little bit
I'd
lower.
love to wear that with bright red undies.
Bright
And a
red?
red top. Not for everyone, probably not for anyone, but don't you think that look cool? But full brief, not a G. Not a G.
I get it. I
I
get what
think
you're
that would be
saying.
really cool.
Yeah, especially like you can get like Nala, where Nala has those really nice mesh bras. Have you ever tried one of them?
I've got one. They actually gifted me.
Oh
this
wow,
set.
okay.
In bright orange.
Oh, there you are. There you are.
And I can do that.
I was thinking that the mesh bra. The mesh bra is see-through.
Oh,
so
I don't care.
see-through. She doesn't care.
I don't care.
I don't want to like
Look
be
at those
rushing
little
in.
buds. They
Yeah,
put the
but
buds, not the same.
Yeah, but you put, no, it is the same. But it's like you put the buds and then you put the bra and then you put your top. It's like.
Oh, that's why I don't care. I just do it.
Yeah, it's just a lot of effort, you know what I'm saying? I might even grab this bag. This bag is new, guys, by the way, just dropped today. And you can do it with quite a few different outfits. Is that a look?
That's such a look. I love it.
Does it go with the shoes or not really?
No, it does go with the shoes, absolutely. Although, with my slides over there, pop those on as well.
Which ones? These ones?
Yeah, those ones.
Actually,
Or even your slides would be nice.
Yeah. I think I'm over my slides. I do like these ones. I was going to bring these, but I always get a sore back when I wear these all day.
Oh, well, I wore them all day yesterday and I was okay.
Yeah. That's why I didn't bring them. Anyway, this is kind of like a big chunky shoe. You've got some sort of detail in the belt, and then actually quite a beachy coastal.
You know what? That bag makes it a bit beachy coastal.
Does it?
Yeah.
You hold that, and then I'll just show you guys the back of my jacket. Faye's is the same. It's kind of like a sport jacket. So you've got your elastic here, cinches it in just at the bum. You can also do your tabs, so you can pull your sleeve up, wear it down, whatever floats your boat. But this is a cool look just like this. I'm getting that like luxury look.
I want to talk a bit more about my jacket as well, so can I do that now? You hold the bag. I'll get back to the bag. But what I was thinking was, we haven't seen this buttoned up to the neck. I don't know if it's a thing. Let me see.
It is a thing. It is a thing. It's just because we're in like full summer mode in China at the moment. Yeah, we're not thinking about buttoning anything.
We want to be bare as. Okay, and I was thinking of just doing a bit of I wouldn't wear the cami. This is when I'd wear this as a top, in this case, and wrap it around, do those fancy wrap around things like that. Do you think that's nice?
Let me see. No, I do. It makes it, again, way more, like, tailored looking.
Sophisticated. You probably, would I wear the chain on the outside? Of course I would. Oh, that's cute. Look at that.
I love that.
Look at that.
Yeah,
does it work?
No, it won't quite. It won't quite. It has to be under, and it's going to be a bit tight for that. But do you want this?
Yeah,
instead.
Yeah,
because this would be really cute.
Nice. I was actually going to do a whole stack of different chains, but then I got other ideas while I was doing this.
Yeah, you can wear it down there if you want. So underneath something would be.
I don't even mind my pearls really, but I'll try that one.
You do
this
that.
Is beautiful. That now that I've looked around at more ideas,
it's very, very in.
That's so on trend.
I'll show you guys this up close. Sorry, that's probably terrible. It's like a little fringe with a cross. Crosses are actually everywhere. Everywhere. And I love cross. Because it's such a statement.
I don't know what I've done. I probably could have done a little bit tighter, but that's cute. Look at that.
Yeah, I think that's really cute.
Yeah,
it suddenly looks very Western.
Yeah. So, and then, no, actually the belt is a bit on the Western side, so I should leave that. Yeah. This is a cool look. This is beautiful. Where's that bag? Should I try that bag now, or has it gone a different direction now?
No, it works.
Pretty nice.
It works.
It's become nicely put together.
Do you want to show off the bag in a little bit of detail? Because we don't do many bags. They're quite limited
we don't
get them.
So we do have a couple of handles, long and short. But it also, what I love about our bags this season, and you'll probably know that once you get into them, is that they have a separate bag inside. And it is a proper tailored bag with a zip and a little, it's like, you could almost, I joked about the fact that you could do it just as a bag on its own. I've just untied that knot, but you could do that, and that as a little...
You would not do that as a bag.
You said that, but I probably would.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
You don't think?
No, you wouldn't. I feel like if we're doing the inside of a bag as a bag, I get it though, because when you've got everything in a big bag and you lose everything, so you need little bags to put in the big bag.
And you can tie that. It's a bit dark in here, isn't it? You can tie that, so you get this look. That's kind of cute, yeah?
It's very cool. And it's enormous.
And it's a beautiful canvas
You can
bag.
fit, hold on, we can fit my laptop.
Oh, okay.
Because if you can't fit your laptop, and it's a big one, it's not a little one.
And then you can keep that other bag, okay. Wow, that's
travel bag.
That's a great travel bag, but it's a bit heavy, but great.
Oh, I know, but you've got a laptop.
Look at that. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Actually, I think you can see it better with your outfit.
Okay,
it looks great with mine, but you can't see because it's so too dark. A bit dark. Maybe I should come up close.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Unraveled.
I've just popped this on, which is Faye's personal belt that she bought out of her own wardrobe. And I think this looks very, very cool. What do you think, Mum? the sport belt.
You know, it's my favourite belt. I do
It's
it
like
fine.
easy. I think just mixing your beiges, and I don't even mind that I've got the black little crop top underneath. White or chocolate would look gorgeous, or any kind of colour that you've got in a cami. Even something bright, like Faye said, the bright red or something like that. Don't be afraid to mix it up. I do wear a lot of neutrals, but you do your thing. Are you going to try that?
Well, I was going to. I think I've got too many things on with the cami as well. Like I said, I wouldn't wear the cami and this top necessarily. Oh, look, you know what? I'm going to have to unravel. This is really annoying. Really annoying.
I was going to leave this for you to pop on, but
now that I'm going on,
now that you're going on and on.
well, I need to take this off. It's just too much fabric for me.
Alright, sorry. Hold the line.
Hold the line, Barb.
Hold the
Is
line.
Barb still-
Barb, you here?
Is that joke over now?
I'm
Is that joke over?
also not sure what number we're up to today. Does anyone know what number we need to do to be commenting?
26, or was that yesterday?
20, when did we leave?
27? Oh, we left on the 24th.
What's the date? 24, 25, 26. Okay, comment
Right,
26.
26.
Comment 26 and I'll send you a link to shop everything we're showing you.
Yep. And then in this case, I can just shove that in there
Yes.
beautifully.
Yes.
See what I mean? Now you know why I was getting frustrated, right?
Yeah.
And I'd even do it just like that, and then you can put your chains in there. Nice, because I want to actually show this belt.
Oh yeah, cool.
That
And
was the
belt's
whole
black.
point of this.
Yeah.
The belt is black, but I don't mind mixing. Let's see if this is the right way around. I'll put it upside down. Does that work?
You haven't got it the right way around, but yes.
No, you're right.
Yeah, no, I do
thought
like
I had
that. I
upside
think
down.
that gold and navy are really beautiful together. So yes, I do think
That
it
way.
works.
No, it's this way. Okay. Yeah, I did have it upside
And
down.
because you've got the little black, and you guys can do a cami, we've just got our crop
That's
top.
better.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. So when you get these things back to front, just tip it upside down. Look at that. That looks good now. And you can wear your little black top underneath.
And the back looks really cool. Really, really cool. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. You got to turn around. How cool does that look? And you've got it tucked in. It's hard to see, yeah. So it's all tucked because it's wrapped. It's tucked. So look, both of us from the back. I've got mine worn out, and Faye has hers tucked in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got that?
We needed someone to take that picture from the back, didn't we?
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We will be live again at 4 o'clock Melbourne time today, just giving you an update on wherever we are, whatever we're doing. Hopefully it's not too loud. Sometimes we're in amongst the chaos, but you know, that's
if
what,
we're, it's as we're walking around, so you never know what you're going to get. So keep watching.
we don't even know what we're going to say.
we don't
She'll
even
probably
know.
say something stupid. Yeah. No.
Something dumb,
Yeah.
why not? Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.